Hello everyone, this is Li Tao Chinese. My name is Zheng Tao and I am your teacher. Welcome to our practical Chinese video course, Introduction. This is our very first episode. In this episode, we are going to figure out a few very important questions about Chinese language. The first question is, what is the Chinese language? As we know, China has 56 ethnic groups, and more than 90% of the population are the Han people. The rest are 55 ethnic minorities like the Tibetan, the Uyghur, and the Mongol, etc. Most of them have their own languages, and the language of the majority Han is Chinese language. The second question is, do different regions of the Han people speak the same Chinese? Unfortunately, the answer is no. Chinese language in different regions has differences more or less in pronunciation, vocabulary, and grammar, especially in pronunciation. So there are many dialects in Chinese language. For example, the word hello in Beijing dialect is 你好. In Shanghai dialect is 农活. In Guangdong dialect, is also called Cantonese, is 雷侯. It's obvious that it would be very hard or impossible to communicate with each other for Chinese people if they just speak their own dialects or languages. Therefore, a national standard Chinese language is needed, which is Mandarin. It's called 普通话 in Chinese, the official language of China. So Mandarin is what you are exactly going to learn, and Mandarin is often called simply Chinese. So when you say, I am learning Chinese, in most cases we know you are learning Mandarin. The third question is, what are the Chinese character and the Chinese pinyin? The Chinese character is the writing system to record Chinese. The Chinese pinyin is the phonetic system to record the pronunciation of Chinese. If you want to read Chinese books, newspapers, and magazines, or browse Chinese websites, then you have to know characters. What you see from the screen now are two Chinese characters, which means hello. But the characters cannot tell you how to pronounce them. So if you want to read out the two characters, you have to know the pinyin of them. 你好. Mastering Chinese pinyin is extremely important for your future learning, especially for the listening and speaking. So we strongly suggest you put in enough effort and time to learn to practice Chinese pinyin when you start to learn Chinese. And this is why we'll give you a detailed introduction of Chinese pinyin in the next few lessons. That's some basic information about Chinese language. Thank you for watching. See you next time.